Alright, today I'm going to be talking about monopolies and how it looks like when a monopoly is making a profit and when a monopoly is making a loss. So we're just going to start off with the curves that all come on a monopoly graph. You're going to start with your demand curve going down, marginal revenue going down alongside that, marginal cost curve, and your average total cost, which is going to tell you where your profit or loss is. On this graph, the points of elasticity are going to be right here. And down here is going to be the inelastic part of the curve. And this change occurs right where MR hits 0. Alright, so when graphing monopoly, you've got your basic curves, you've got your demand curve, your marginal revenue curve, your marginal cost curve that looks like a Nike sign, and then your average total cost curve, which is going to depict whether your monopoly is making a profit or a loss, or zero revenue. Alright, so in this case, the monopoly is going to be producing at where MC hits MR, and that is going to be this quantity right here, and then you're going to dot up to your demand curve to find your price. So in this graph, the ATC curve is below the price, so this box right here is going to be your profit. Alright, to graph monopoly loss, your ATC curve has to be above where your price is, so we're going to find our price at where MC hits MR, dot down to find quantity, and then up to demand to find price. And now your ATC curve has to be above the price, so we're just going to put that here. Lowest point hits MC, go up from there. And so you can see that there's a box right here from this point to where ATC is, and this box is going to be your loss.